To send money from Singapore to Philippines, you will need to follow these steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. Next, choose a money transfer service that operates in both Singapore and Philippines, such as DBS Remit, OCBC Money Transfer, or third-party services like TransferWise, PayPal, or Western Union. Compare their fees, exchange rates, and transfer times to select the best option for your needs. Once you have selected a service, create an account or log in to your existing account. Then, enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated transfer time, to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the details, fund the transfer using your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Keep the transaction reference number for your records and to track the transfer status. The recipient can receive the funds through a bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on the service and options you selected. It is essential to inform the recipient of the expected transfer time and the reference number to facilitate a smooth collection process. To avoid any issues, ensure you comply with the regulations and requirements of the money transfer service and the banks involved. Additionally, be aware of the daily transfer limits and any applicable taxes or fees. By following these steps, you can send money from Singapore to Philippines efficiently and securely. Always research and compare different services to find the best option for your specific needs and take necessary precautions to protect yourself from potential scams or fraud.